Hi friends, in today's video, I'll show you how you can install Windows 11 25H2 on unsupported PCs. This will show you how you can create bootable media that skips TPM, secure boot, RAM, and online account checks using official ISOs. So before you start, you need a couple of things. That is, you need a flash drive with at least 8 GB of capacity. The second one is to download the Windows 11 ISO 25H2 available from the official Microsoft page. And the next thing you have to do is to go and download the Windows 11 ISO, that is 25H2 ISO. Now from here, click down the drop down and select the Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for 64 devices. Now just click on confirm. Now you have to select the language. The ISO is of about 7.2 GB, so wait till the download is complete. You can see here that the Windows 11 25H2 is getting downloaded. Now the download has been completed, and next step is to create the Windows 11 25H2 USB for unsupported PC using Rufus. You can go and download Rufus. Rufus is a platform where you can create the bootable USB. Or just search for Rufus. Now you can download the latest version. Now it has been downloaded. Just go to the folder and then run this exe. Now from here, select the drive, the flash drive, and from here just choose how to supply the ISO. Just click on it. Click the down arrow next to the select and pick download to fetch Windows 11 directly. Just click on select, and from here pick this download and click on open. Now you have to confirm the default settings for partition scheme and target system unless you have a specific boot mode. So if you have a special choice, then you have to change it, otherwise you can leave it as such. Now once that is done, just click on start. This will open the customization dialog as you can see on the screen right now. Now check the options to remove requirements for TPM 2.0, secure boot, and 4 GB plus RAM so that the setup runs on unsupported hardware. Also, you can enable the options to remove the online Microsoft account requirement. This lets you complete setup with a local account instead of being forced to online. Now click on OK. Now you will get a warning and you have to proceed. Now click on OK. Now it has started the process. Wait till the process completes. Now the bootable USB has been created. You can see that it is finished. Now click on close. And if you go to the My Computer and look at the drive, now you can run this Windows setup and complete the installation process. If you want to directly run from here, just click on setup and it will start the Windows installation process. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.